Computer software is a set of program instructions, including related data and documentation, that can be executed by computer. This can be in the form of instructions on paper or in digital form. While system software is intrinsic to a computer system, application software fulfills users' needs, such as a photo editing program. We discuss the important concepts of syntax, semantics, and program translation next. In English, hello there, how are you? The following, however, is not syntactically correct. Hello there, how are you? In this sentence, the sequence of letters ho is not a word in the English language. Now consider the following sentence. Colorless, green ideas sleep furiously. This sentence is syntactically correct, but is semantically incorrect, and it has no meaning. Program translation. A central processing unit, CPU, is designed to interpret and execute a specific set of instructions represented in binary form, i.e., 1s and 0s, called machine code. Only programs in machine code can be executed by a CPU. Writing programs at this low level is tedious and error-prone. Therefore, most programs are written in a high-level programming language such as Python. Since the instructions of such programs are not in machine code that a CPU can execute, a translator program must be used. A compiler translates programs directly into machine code to be executed by the CPU. The other type of translator is called an interpreter, which executes program instructions in place of the CPU. Thus, an interpreter can immediately execute instructions as they are entered. This is referred to as interactive mode. This is a very useful feature for program development. Python, as we shall see, is executed by an interpreter. On the other hand, compiled programs generally execute faster than interpreted programs. Any program can be executed by either a compiler or an interpreter. Program debugging is the process of finding and correcting errors in a computer program. Programming errors are inevitable during program development. Syntax errors are caused by invalid syntax. In contrast, semantic errors, generally called logic errors, are errors in program logic. Such errors cannot be automatically detected, since translators cannot understand the intent of a given computation. Computers do not understand what a program is meant to do, they only follow the instructions given. It is up to the programmer to detect such errors. Program debugging is not a trivial task, and constitutes much of the time of program development.